Today, we will take a look at the Python programming language. A quick Google search for the top programming language shows Python is at the top 2. Sometimes it is at the top 3. The ZDNet website listed Python as the most popular language for engineers. Stackify website also includes Python at the top. Business Broadway said Python is the most used and recommended by data scientists. On the other hand, Geeks for Geek listed Python at the top 2. Python core could be downloaded at the python.org. Today, we will install Python using the Anaconda distribution, which includes the Python version 3.7. Once the download is complete, we could open the Anaconda installer. First, we should ensure that we are installing the appropriate version for our computer, 32-bit or 64-bit. Click Next to continue. Click Agree on the license agreement. Let us install it in the current user only. A destination folder will be shown, but of course, you could change the location if you want. We click Next and the advanced option will be shown. Ensure that the Register Anaconda as the default Python is checked. Click Install to continue. This may take a few minutes to complete. Once finished, click Next, Next, and if you wish to learn how to get started to code, you could leave the check at Learn How to Get Started and click Finish. The Anaconda user guide will pop up and a few examples of Python code in several IDE. Now, let's open Anaconda Navigator. At first, it will show if you want to participate in improving Anaconda Navigator, but it is okay if you opt for it. In here, you can now find the Spyder IDE ready to launch. You can check different installed components and even search for the Python version. Let's take a look at the Spyder IDE and try some code. When we run our program for the first time, we will be asked for the console execution and working directory. Click Run to continue. We could directly access the Spyder IDE without opening the Anaconda Navigator. Let us create file and save it as test.py. Zoom in by holding the control at our keyboard and scrolling up in our mouse. Let us create a program that we will ask two numbers and show the sum of those two numbers. Nicely done! You could navigate to the Variable Explorer to view the variable type, size, and value. And that's it! Thank you!